Good evening, folks. Look at what I just found. Look at this. This is weird. Almost looks like the letter I-L-A-B almost right here. You can see the little flowering pattern, if you will. You can see the grid lines here, and you can see them going around this way too. This is some weird stuff, people. Has anybody ever seen that? And it just kind of boop. It literally just pops up, just boom, instantly there. Look at that. I've never seen. This is getting really odd, people. That is a word. R is under main? What is that? I'm totally taking a screenshot of that. What? R is under main? Look at that. Do you see that, folks? Look at that. R is under main? What is R? What is that? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I need y'all's help. If anybody can figure what this is supposed to mean, R is under main. R. Russia is under. Is that an N or an M? That could be an N. It could be. I would think N. R is under maybe maintenance? Main? What? Oh my gosh. And what's R? Ra? Russia? Oh my gosh. I can't believe I stinking got that. I cannot believe this. What? Alright, I'm going to see if I can find that somewhere else now. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm not going to lie. I'm totally tripping right now. That was epic. Oh my gosh. Is the Matrix falling apart? What was that? Oh, okay. Moving on. Sorry, I've literally had it on pause for like 20 minutes, like freaking out. Okay, it looks like over here on the Mag and Sweep, it looks like they turned the model off. I mean, it's just off. I mean, you can see here, pressure is way high. Look at that. Density is somewhat low. Speed is slowing down. Temperature, might have to go check something else out. Let's go check something else out and see if we can collaborate that. Alright, here we are, Space Weather Prediction Center, looking under pressure, and it is looking like we are having a decent amount of pressure on the bow side. Looks like we got a double whammy of shields going on here, and quite a weird looking trail. It almost looks like we're cockeyed, doesn't it? This is the day side over here. This is the night side. You know, so solar winds are coming this way. You can see that we're getting hammered, but it does look like we got quite the tilt going on at the moment, doesn't it? Huh. And then, of course, this is looking down from the top. This is the bow. And this is the back. So, yeah, that's pretty high. Here we are over here at the European Space Agency, and we are taking a look at their Enlil model, if you will. Their version of it anyways. And, yeah, we were definitely getting some density and some pressure coming off, because European Space Agency seems to be more accurate than Enlil, the Anunnaki god. And it looks like we're going to be getting another hit here on the 20th with 45 centimeters cubed of plasma. That's just great. And look at our velocity. We're going to be getting up there pretty good. That's about 525. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. That'll be a good smack. This is where it is right here. So yeah, that's a decent smack. I would say so. Now we're over here at seeds, and now that they have completed for the day, we can obviously see that there's one little friend here. Looks like we got another one little friend here and another little friend right here. Let's do a little quick zoom in. Oh yeah, 3 objects. Okay. Now let's progress a little more forward. You can still see him there. See him moving, getting pushed off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and then of course we got our little friend over here. How you doing, buddy? And actually, it looks like one just appeared here. But you can definitely see them here. You can definitely see them around us right here and here, for sure. No question about it. Okay. I mean, folks, it's Star Wars. I mean, look at this. That's beautiful. What are they hiding here? I don't see anything over here. Lots of hiding going on. And then, of course, we jump right to the explosion. Ooh, that's actually a really good one. You can clearly see it right there. Very nice. And I know I went over this earlier, but that's okay. Because after here, we want to start taking a look at the left side. Oh, look at him there. Oh, very nice. How you doing, bud? See that blast? Yeah, going right around him. That's a good one. Now start looking to the left. Right here. He'll start showing up as we go. Now we're gonna get a little Borg cube here in just a second. You can still see, you can see it right there. We're about to get a Borg cube. Oh ho ho! Hello, 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 hello. There's 4 of them right there, and it actually looks like another one's coming out the side right here, doesn't it? Come on. Yeah, see, where are we going here? That thing just jumped around on me. That wasn't cool. Okay, there we go. That's where I was. So yeah, something's definitely going on there. You can still see him moving off the left side there. And yeah, Borg cube. Thanks for messing all that up for me. But did it? Because now I can see something here, and I can see something here. And of course you see the line coming through here. That's where we saw our little guy here. There he is with his little warp signature trail, if you will. And here he is again. But look here. Here's where their line is. All the way up. Light bending. There's something happened. They don't want us seeing what's going on. But look at this. See how round that is right there? You can see it right here too. Brilliant. Mickey D's, I'm loving it. Now we can see him off to the left there. There's actually one off to the right too. I might have to find that. Ooh, wait a second. Where'd he go? Oh goodness. And of course we got this guy here. They blotted out. Again. Oh, come on, where is he at? The one that came out the right. Oh, there he is. The one that came out the right side that we seen coming off. Looks like he's still there, or he's like coming back for seconds. Yeah, he's getting pushed off again. Fun stuff, folks. But let's get to the important part. This guy right here, Rob. He's the Turk Knights of Malta. He and I are going to be doing a roundtable on Sunday. Please join. It's going to be quite exciting. We're going to be doing it on his channel. It's going to be he and I and at least one other fellow, and we're going to be having some very in-depth discussions on Star Forts, Tartarian, Stargates, like all kinds of stuff. We don't know how long it's going to go. We're going to pick a few subjects, and we're going to try to discuss them, and who knows how long it's going to be. I mean, when like-minded people start talking, it becomes a wonderful thing. He's in the United Kingdom. Really good guy. We've talked a few times. I actually popped onto his Podbean and joined him, and it was a lot of fun. Just sitting down and just talking, and to get 3 or 4 of us together, chit-chatting, and really sharing knowledge and information that we've learned and stuff. It's really going to be a good time. So everyone, please come follow Rob on Esoteric Knights of Malta. Subscribe and start watching some of his videos. He'll get you caught up. He's actually the gentleman that got me onto the Ascension Dictionary, and I started following him ever since. Really good guy. He's probably been awake longer than I have, but I think I've had more time on my hands, so I've really soaked up a lot of information. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time on Sunday, folks. I'll post you tomorrow, and I'll let you know the time, but I know it's going to be Sunday morning, probably around maybe 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. So I'll verify that tomorrow. You guys have a good night. Oh, I cannot believe I got that on Wendy.com. I just can't. Oh, if anybody knows what that meant, please, if you can figure it out, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and like, and share everywhere. Share it on TikTok. Share it on Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, whatever you got. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Love you guys.